Oh my gosh.
I think his hiccup is really low.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
I tried to cover it. I covered it, but it's fine. It's fine. It's
Oh,
good.
she's yawn. When we talk about yawning, she'll yawn.
It's because,
more.
yes, you bring it up. Also, I think it's because there's something in my brain. I looked it up on WebMD.
It's called worms.
No, it said
Is it
you
mold?
either have
Parasites.
there was
It's not a
Parasites in your
virus.
brain.
there was like two options. It said either you have a lack of oxygen to your brain or a brain tumor. So I had to pick one. I was
Instead
like,
of lack of oxygen
It's
to your
definitely
brain cells.
oxygen.
wait, is that why I'm becoming dumber?
You have to breathe more.
If that's true, then yes. It
Wait,
means your brain cells are literally dying every single second of the day.